Hello, in this video we look at concord or agreement in English grammar. Concord, also known as agreement, refers to the grammatical relationship where the form of one word is dependent on the form of another. In English, concord is most often discussed in terms of subject-verb agreement, but it can also involve other types such as pronoun-antecedent agreement or determiner-noun agreement, etc. So let's start with the most common type, subject-verb agreement. In English, a verb must agree in number, singular or plural, and sometimes person with its subject. So with a singular subject, you have a singular verb. The student works hard. Plural subject, you have a plural verb. The students work hard. Errors often occur with subjects with intervening phrases. So, for example, the teacher, along with her students, is preparing a lesson, not are. Indefinite pronouns. Everyone is ready, not are. There are structures. There's a pen and a notebook on the table. This feels plural, but the pen and a notebook is plural, so it's debatable. Prescriptively, there are would be better. Pronoun antecedent agreement. Well, in this context, pronouns must match the number and gender of the noun they refer to, so the antecedent. The man lost his keys. The woman lost their bags. Somebody left their phone. Here, there is often used as a singular gender-neutral pronoun, although some prescriptive grammars may prefer his or her. This kind of agreement is increasingly important as English evolves to become more inclusive, with they or them now widely used as singular pronouns in both formal and informal contexts. And there's determiner-noun agreement. So some determiners only work with singular nouns and others only with plurals. This book, these books. Then there's much time, many times. Students often confuse much and many or this and these due to influence from their first language or confusion over countability, I should say. Well, teaching concord requires raising learners' awareness of it very often. So what do they need to learn? The number and person of the subject. The common exception cases, so uncountable nouns, collective nouns, existential there, and verb structures. The influence of nearby words that distract from the true subject. A good approach may be to highlight the real subject of the sentence and ask, is it singular or plural? What verb form goes with that? Is the pronoun clearly referring back to the noun, etc. And common classroom tasks might include gap fills where students choose the correct form of the verb, rewriting faulty sentences, identifying the subject and the correct verb in complex sentences, and so on. Though English grammar doesn't have as much agreement as languages with gendered nouns or rich inflectional systems, concord is still essential for fluency and clarity. And focusing on agreement structures improves learners' writing accuracy and reading comprehension and helps them produce more natural speech. Thank you.